As we leave the vibrant charm of Munnar town behind, our road trip takes a dramatic turn, literally. Descending about 7 kilometers, we encounter a sharp U-turn leading us to Anachal. The rain intensifies, and mist blankets the lush green mountains and tea plantations, creating a cinematic atmosphere. Join us as we maneuver through the twists and turns, the windshield adorned with raindrops, capturing the thrill and serenity of the journey. The misty roads lead us to our ultimate destination, the Elephant Passage Resort. Perched on top of a steep hill road, surrounded by plantations and forests, the resort promises an escape into nature's embrace. The journey ends, but the experience lingers as we look forward to an enchanting stay in the heart of Munnar. Stay tuned as we uncover the magic that awaits us at Elephant Passage. Thanks for riding along on this rainy day adventure. If you enjoyed the Misty Mountain Drive and are ready for more travel escapades, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you never miss our upcoming journeys. Until next time, keep exploring, keep wandering, and keep chasing those raindrops.